Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing video for the Mi 10T Pro 5G. Now this is a 108 megapixel premium phone. This has a lot of features. I'll not be talking about all the features in this video. This is going to be purely an unboxing video. You'll see me opening this up, how all the things are inside, how it's actually packaged. We'll be going through everything. So after that, I'll be talking about what to expect from this, what are the main features that you can think about. There are a lot of differences between this one and the 10T. So this is the 10T Pro. The 10T, people think that it's just the camera, but no, it's not just the camera's megapixel, but the camera features have also changed. So that one does not have a few features which this particular phone has, this model has, and the difference is just 4,000 rupees. So should you go for that model or another model or this one? We'll be talking about that. So let's go ahead, unbox this, and after that we will talk about what to expect. So let's go ahead, open this up. Now you have the first seal here. You remove that. Okay, keep this aside. So that's how the box actually looks like. Now it's clearer. There was a transparent packing on top of it. Now you have two seals here. Let's remove that. Okay, that's done. Now this is a 8GB RAM 128GB edition. You do not have any other version available, so you just have one piece, so you don't have the option of going to 256 and stuff. So my Pocos and stuff are 256GB. This one comes in just one variant. So let's go ahead, open this up. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Very nice. You don't have those regular orange packaging that you get with other phones. Okay, so now you get a Type-C adapter, and you have a SIM ejector tool here, and you have the guide, the user manual, and a transparent or translucent, okay, almost translucent transparent kind of a back cover. That's the phone. Let's take that out. Now I got the moon silver edition. So normally I get black phones, so this time I was quite amazed by the color on this. This was something very different. I've not seen this kind of color before. Now it's got a grayish kind of tint, but then as you move it, this is nice effect. So I like that effect, that's why I bought it. Anyways, all the phones you put a cover on it, so the back anyways hides. And the black edition was completely black here and black here, and the black did not have any effects. It was a normal black. So I decided on going for this. And the camera module actually pops out in this color. In the black color, it does not pop out. You can't really notice it because it all looks the same. Let's remove this. Okay, so you get a charging brick. So you actually get a 33-watt fast charger with this. So since it's a premium phone, they are actually giving you everything. They are not leaving out the charger. Now I had this complaint with the K20 Pro. So when I got the K20 Pro, I did not get the 27 watts charger with it. I got just a regular 18 watt charger. So with this, they actually give you the highest capacity that the phone can support. That's a good thing. And then you have your Type-C cable. Wow, that's a nice touch. So you have orange color inside. So I really like that. I don't have this color or this kind of a combination, white and orange. So that's also something unique. Okay, so that's it. That's what you get with this. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the device itself. So this is the screen. It's a 6.67 inch IPS display, which has a refresh rate from 30 to 144. You can choose between 60, 90 and 144, but it has variable refresh rate, so it can change it according to what software is running, actually what app is running, or what is happening on the phone. Accordingly it will change. Now because of that, they've given an IPS display. So let's take a look at the device. Now you have the power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint reader. Now personally, I'm not a big fan of side mounted fingerprint reader because my thumb, if you have it at the back there or in the front, your thumb always comes over there, both the hands, because it's in the middle. Over here only this thumb can come over here, this thumb is not going to touch it. Now I can use my other fingers, but then I'll be moving my hand and doing all this, and then I can do that. But I have done that. I have assigned this finger for it, and it works fine. It's just that I like the convenience of the back mounted or the in display fingerprint reader. I like them better. Okay, then you have your volume key. Now this entire thing is made of metal. There is no plastic involved. The front glass is a Gorilla Glass 5, the back glass is a Gorilla Glass 5. Now just look at that finish. So it has a dual tone finish, so it looks gray, looks black, looks silver, all of those mixed colors, and the black camera module actually looks pretty good in this. It pops out. In the black version it doesn't pop out that much. So you have the Mi designed by Xiaomi signature over here. Let's take a closer look at the camera. So that's how the camera looks like. You have the 108 megapixel camera here. You have the wide angle lens, 13 megapixel wide angle lens here. You have the macro lens, 5 megapixel macro lens here. You have the flash, dual tone flash, and you have the 360-degree ambient light sensor. So excellent features. Everything else is plain. On top you have the infrared transmitter emitter. You have the opening for the speaker. So you basically have one opening over here for the earpiece and a second opening here. So this makes it louder. It has dual speaker and it makes it louder this way. The setup is bigger, the speaker is bigger in this. Then you have the secondary microphone over here. That's it. On the other side it's completely plain. You have the antenna lines. At the bottom you have the speaker, the bottom firing speaker, the microphone, the type C port, the charging port, and then you have the SIM tray. We'll be opening that in a bit. In the front you have one camera over here, which is a 20 megapixel camera, but it's an advanced camera. There are a lot of things that you can do on this. We'll be talking about that in our camera section. So let's remove the SIM. Let's see how it actually looks like. So this is the only slot, so it's same as the K20 Pro. You have just one slot which has two SIMs. Now this time the difference is it's on both the sides. So right now I have a Jio and Airtel, both 4G in this. So this is how you put it in, and it's a good design. You do have the rubber seal to protect it from water. So even though this does not have any IP rating, it should be able to withstand some amount of water. So I'll not throw it in the water till the time we see some more water testing videos. I'll just keep it away from that. Now the cover is an antibacterial cover that you get, and it's a dual tone one this time. It's transparent and translucent at the same time, and it looks pretty good on the phone. Let me just show you that. So this is how the cover looks like. It looks better on the silver edition. On the black edition it is okay. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now I will not talk about the features in this video. There are lots of them. If I start, then I won't stop. So let's talk about the main thing. So the main thing is the camera itself. You have the 108 megapixel camera, which is an advanced camera. It's not like your regular other Mi camera. This one has some features which you haven't even seen, and a lot of reviewers have not even shown that to you right now. So I will be showing you that in my other videos. The only thing that people will have a problem with is actually there are two things that you will have a problem with. The screen itself, that this is not an AMOLED screen, but even though this is not an AMOLED screen, this is the best IPS display I've seen on a phone till date. Second is there's no earphone jack, so you will have to use the adapter that you get with this. So all in all, excellent phone, excellent feature, premium device, premium, it feels premium in your hand, and it looks amazing. So that's it for this unboxing video. I will be putting the links of the other videos below as I make it. I will keep updating it in this video. So mainly it's going to be the camera one next, so because that's the thing that people are talking about. There are a lot of features which you need to know if you're a YouTuber, if you use your phone for content creation. This is going to be one of the best for you in this price segment. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.